Today we're talking about a very inexpensive steel stock that has a great history and a fantastic dividend you'll want to know about, that's taking advantage and growing quickly in this current environment with steel constraints from the Russian-Ukraine war. Hi, I'm Lynn, and welcome back. If you're not familiar with me, I worked for years with Fortune 500 companies and financial consulting teams to help companies determine where they were making money. I use this expertise now to analyze potential investments. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice, but my opinion only. So do your own analysis. So the stock we're talking about right now is Gerdau, ticker symbol GGB. They offer a range of long steel and special steel products from their network of mills across the United States and Canada. To remember to give this video a like in return for my efforts in analyzing the stock, and also while you're at it, subscribe for more videos like this one. So Gerdau offers a wide variety of steel products from special bar quality, merchant bar, beams, and others. And I look for companies that are fast growing because of changes in our environmental, political, or other circumstances such as recovery from COVID and the current constraints. So you can see here I invested in Pfizer as a result of COVID and made 52% profit this year on that. CVS, 38% profit. ExxonMobil from the COVID recovery, I made 34%. And Cleveland-Cliffs, which is another steel manufacturer, I made 23% on in a month. I really regret getting out of that one because it's 60% up from that price I bought it at $19.83. So back to Gerdau, ticker symbol GGB. You can see here they've done really well this year. You see their chart on their Yahoo Finance profile. It's only a $6 stock. They've got a market cap of $10 billion. They have a PE ratio of only 3, a lot more room to increase in price before they would get expensive. They also have a fantastic dividend of 7.94%. So I like taking advantage of that one. They have a 52-week range of $4 to $7 and an average volume of 10 million shares traded per day. And looking at the stock chart, this is the 5-year stock chart. You can see they were basing, then had a big pullback in April of 2020. Then they've run up very quickly since then. In 2021, like many stocks did, another pullback after that last year, and now they're currently greatly increasing in price. So in looking at their year-to-date stock chart, it's been a great increase. It is somewhat of a volatile stock, so if you get into this one, you expect some fairly big pullbacks. And you can see also, according to the green bars below, there's been quite a bit more buying than selling of this stock. Let's take a quick look at their financials. Like Warren Buffett says, we need to analyze it over multiple years to see how they're doing. You can see their total revenue from 2018 to 2021 has been growing nicely. 46 million, you have to add 3 zeros to get the actual number, to 78 million in 2021, which is truly impressive. Looking at their quarterly numbers, you could see that in 2021, they did 16 million through 21 million in December of 2021. Then looking at their income statement, you can see the gross profit has increased nicely each year, as well as their net income for stockholders has gone from 2.3 million in 2018 to 15 million in 2021. I always look at their current liabilities versus their total non-current liabilities. Again, it was 16 million in 2018, they're 20 million in their long-term liabilities in 2021. So that's something they can handle. Also, you could see at the bottom that they are buying back shares. You could see per their treasury shares. And looking at their annual view for their cash statement, it's really important to always check out the free cash flow. So that's the money a company is raising from their own operations instead of from funding. And it's grown impressively from 737,000 in 2018 to 9.3 million in 2021. And you can see the breakdown now quarterly, again, which is really excellent. They did have a pullback in June of 2021, but did excellently in late 2021. FinViz is an excellent place to go to find out more detail about a stock. And here you can see Their PE, again, as I mentioned, is a mere 3.33, and the forward PE is 1.83. So it's something to have a little concern about right now. 32% of the company is owned by insiders, which is really impressive. And institutions own 22%. So it's a little less known. They have an excellent profit margin of 19.8%. They have a tiny short float of 1.69%. The short sellers have little interest in pushing down this stock. They have a target price from analysts of $8.30. Their performance year to date has been 27.44%. For the week, the month, the quarter, it's been excellent. So you may be wondering how stocks are doing, metal stocks are doing in Brazil. So you can see here the EWZ iShares Brazil Metals and Mining stock and how it's doing year to date. It's going up wonderfully, so that's something to be aware of. Make sure and sign up for 60 Perfect Wealth newsletter. There's a link in the description below so you can be notified before videos like this come out. Also, I'd love to hear your comments about GGB. Do you own the stock? Do you own any steel stocks? How has it been working for you? What are your thoughts about the future of GGB and any other stocks in this industry that we should know about? Also, make sure and go here to view our video on Cleveland Cliffs, which is another hot steel stock that's up 60% so far this year.